Hi, I'm Mika, Tienhaara, CEO of Rocsole. We are into smart visualization, removing blind spots from operations with our electrical tomography, where we're providing actionable insights from challenging operating conditions with emulsions deposits. And this is a way to improve operational efficiency and decarbonize operations. Today, we're talking about the future of oil and gas. And of course, there's big changes, and I see it as very exciting with all the innovation and disruption taking place. As such, we are in the midst of this energy transition. First of all, we talk about the energy mix, which is changing with more renewables coming into the picture. We have the ESG measures, which are actively monitored. And we actually also look at the operational efficiency as a key for short-term perspectives and improvements. Here, I'm going to focus on the operational efficiency and also how digital transformation is a key enabler in the new levels. If we look at the existing production, the majority comes from mature fields, where optimization actually plays a key role with the use of a variety of tools such as AI, machine learning, IoT, etc. And I think, from my perspectives, also that the innovation with impact comes from breaking down the silo mentality and implementing digital as part of the business solution for the whole portfolio. Sharing best practices are a must. We need to collaborate industry-wide to make this shift. As an example is the Open AI initiative, which I recently heard about, and there are more examples. Also, I can give an example on how we at Rocsole are using machine learning in order to train our programs to do quick data interpretation and analytics. For instance, subsea pipeline scanning have the need to determine scale and deposits on a millimeter scale. This is important for flow assurance, ensuring the right production rates, etc. However, incumbent technologies use weeks in calculating the data and reporting. So it's a very slow format of actually getting the necessary data for decision making. Through our work with multi-layer neural networks and machine learning on a huge amount of parameters, we are reducing the data reporting time down to a matter of a few minutes, meaning that the reporting is more than 1,000 times faster. Well, what is the use of this? This means that operators can improve their decision making for the need of cleaning or other maintenance operations, or the changes they have to do in the daily operations. Over time, you can build predictive models, and I think this is part of the future. Another field is on facilities processing equipment, such as separators and tanks. According to industry data, more than 50% of separator failures are due to faulty instrumentation. And this is, of course, terrible. We have, with our technology and algorithms, found a way to avoid this. Also, there is a lack of data because so much of operations has to deal with harsh and challenging operating conditions. Today, there is a lack of data. The blind spots are everywhere. As one of the remaining areas lacking data, we love these harsh conditions, dealing with deposits, sand, emulsions, rag layers. We provide that data. So by being able to provide these actionable insights, this can boost operational efficiency and business performance tremendously. This is also helping to reduce the carbon footprint. Having connected devices, we can also do support remotely. This innovative work we are doing has been recognized widely in the industry globally. So over to the industry in general, I think also that innovators and startups, we need them, but also the startups need to collaborate and find alliances with operators and established service providers. Another aspect that I think is important is that we can't forget academia. We need to involve universities and academia for the development and innovation, commercializing new applied sciences to improve process and business performance. In the big picture, with this energy transition ongoing, we should also take care of making industry safer and better, and at the same time do an effort that is good for the planet. And everyone needs to chip in. We need to make our best efforts. Reducing toxic pollution, harmful waste, and reduce emissions like methane and carbon are also possible at a larger scale. So we can get not just a low carbon production or low carbon industry, but finding smart ways for carbon neutral operations. Talking with industry peers, I see also that cost efficiency in operations is getting more and more important. And it comes from active and hands-on management. And I think this will play a big role in the future. I see a future here for us and the industry as such, where these measures for the operations are not just necessary, but will also be an integrated part of the business solutions, as it also makes companies more competitive and attractive. I think also the next panel session we will hear now on digitalization and decarbonization should give additional interesting views on these topics. I'm Mika, Tienhaara, CEO of Rocsole. For more information on our activities and solutions, you can visit our webpage or LinkedIn page. Let's make the future safer and better, which is also good for our planet. Thank you very much.